Hello, myself Sandeep Gajanan Malap. By profession, I am working as an officer in one of the multinational company and I am currently residing at Arcade Earth, Kanjumagish. One of my office colleague who has recently finished his home interior work but not through Renovate has recommended me about Renovate. So I asked him why you recommended me about Renovate since you have not completed your work through Renovate but through some other contractor. So told me that one of his close neighbor has conducted Renovate and he can clearly make out a difference between the quality of work provided by Renovate and his own contractor. I was in big trouble because my earlier contractor with whom I was working since last 4 months, he in the middle of the project mentioned me that he cannot finish the project within the stipulated time provided to me, and I had to vacate my current my rented apartment within a days of 45 days. So on the recommendation of my colleague, I contracted Renovate. I was a little bit hesitant to provide this contract to Renovate because my earlier experience with my another contract was so bad and I was not sure whether considering my scope of work, it will happen within 45 days. But Smita gave me that kind of confidence saying that, sir, don't worry, I will make sure that your work will get finished by 45 days, and I then choose Renovate. After finalizing all design, execution team has come to my site and they validated all the measurements taken earlier and they initiated the execution process. Execution process was so smooth that I never bothered to visit my site and to just make sure that the quality of the work is happening is perfect, because Smita was taking care of all the things which all the things are happening as per my recommendation, as per my suggestion, as per my feedback, and as per the quality checks they have promised me. It also happened that in the middle of the project, I recommended some new changes to interior work, because the earlier whatever the design finalized by me was not up to mark. But Smita has accommodated all the changes provided by me in the middle of the project, and she finished the project within 45 days, or rather less than 45 days. My experience after completion of these projects, she called me and she asked me to sign off on these projects. I checked each and everything about this project. In short, I checked all the scope and all the aspect of this project, and everything was up to mark, and I was completely satisfied. I was more than satisfied with the kind of work and quality of work provided by Renovate. And my post after I moved into my home, my experience was equally same that the experience was I got at the time of completion of these projects. I can feel the quality of the work provided by Renovate, and I can tell you that I'm literally more than happy with the quality of the project provided by Renovate. I want to strongly recommend Renovate for all your interior works for your dream home. The reason for recommendation is the quality of work provided to me, design process provided to me, and ease of process for the entire scope of the project. These are the three strong points which highly impress me to recommend Renovate. And more important, that time of executions. Whatever the timing they have promised to me, they deliver before that time. So in these such interior projects, timing of the execution keep increasing based on the scope of the project. But Renovate has promised me the certain amount of time and they deliver before time. Thank you.